brain-boosting foods that sharpen memory and focus. Keeping your mind sharp requires more than mental exercises, it starts with nutrition. Certain foods are proven to enhance memory, focus, and overall brain performance. Incorporate these brain-boosting foods into your daily diet to think clearer and stay mentally agile. 1. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants. Blueberries protect the brain from oxidative stress and improve communication between brain cells, enhancing memory and learning ability. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that support cognitive health, improve concentration, and reduce the risk of memory decline. 3. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content boosts blood flow to the brain and improves focus. Its natural caffeine and flavonoids sharpen attention and uplift mood. 4. Broccoli, rich in vitamin K and antioxidants. Broccoli supports brain cell development and protects against cognitive aging. It's a simple yet powerful brain food. 5. Pumpkin seeds, small but nutrient-dense. Pumpkin seeds are full of magnesium, zinc, and iron, minerals that support nerve function and reduce mental fatigue. 6. Turmeric, the active compound curcumin boosts serotonin and dopamine levels, improving mood and memory. It also reduces inflammation in brain tissues. 7. Nuts, walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts provide vitamin E and healthy fats that keep brain cells strong and slow down memory decline. 8. Coffee, caffeine increases alertness by blocking drowsiness signals, while antioxidants in coffee help maintain long-term brain health. 9. Green tea. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine, a combination that enhances focus while keeping the mind calm and steady. 10. Eggs. Eggs are rich in choline, which the brain uses to create acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter vital for memory and learning. What you eat directly influences how well you think and remember. Adding these brain-boosting foods for memory and focus into your diet can elevate concentration, prevent mental decline, and support a sharper, more vibrant mind. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.